Canva is available to use as a mobile app for smartphones and tablets. The app can be downloaded for free on the App Store on an iPhone or iPad or the Google Play Store on Android. I've already downloaded the app, so I'll tap on it here to launch it. Once you've signed into your account, you'll find many of the same tools that you've used with Canva on a computer. You'll see the banner up at the top so you can do a search or you can go through the categories to find new designs or presets. Now on the Canva desktop application, you're probably used to clicking the button on the front page that says Create a Design. On the mobile app, you can do the same thing by tapping the plus button at the bottom of the main screen. From here, you can search or browse through presets for new blank designs. At the bottom, you may see a button to use your own photo. You can tap that, then you'll need to give it permission to access the photo library on your device. Once that's set up, you can browse through your photos right here, or you can tap See All to browse through your entire library. But for now, I'll tap the Cancel button here. And I also want to cancel this, so I'll tap Cancel on that screen. Now to start with a template, there is a template button at the bottom next to the plus button, so you have the same categories of templates that you have used on the computer. You can search or browse through and start a design from here. At the bottom, you can always reset to the home screen by tapping the Home button, and you can also tap the Projects button at the bottom to browse through your existing designs. So to be clear, I have signed into the app using the same account that I used to sign into Canva on the computer in the rest of this course, so I can access all of the same designs that I had on my computer. So you could start a design on your computer or your mobile device and continue to work with them anywhere you sign into Canva. So I'll just tap on one of these to open one of my designs. And here is my workspace. So you can tap on any element in a design to select it. You can drag elements around to move them. And when an element is selected, you see the controls for it at the bottom, similar to the formatting bar when working on a computer. You can add elements to your design. Just tap the plus button in the bottom left corner, and the buttons at the bottom of the screen here correspond to the buttons we find on the far left side when we're working in the desktop version. We see the Design tab to apply templates to the design. There's the Elements tab where you can find stock photos, graphics, and more. On a mobile app, there's a tab for your camera roll so you could select pictures from your device's photo library. If you've set up a brand kit, you can use the Brand Hub. There are also tabs for uploads, for text, for the draw tools, and so on. So you can use all of these even in the mobile app. Now you can tap outside of this panel to close it, and at the top, the button with 3 dots will show the properties for this design. So this is where you can rename it or change the size, and you can swipe down to close this panel. And there is a Share button up in the top right corner. So this has the same options you would have on your computer to share the design with team members or download it or have it printed. Now when you're finished editing your design, you can tap the Home button in the top left corner. And then from here, I'll tap the Home button in the bottom left corner to go back to the main screen. The last thing we should see is the Menu button in the top left corner of the main screen. That's the button with 3 lines, which opens a panel that is roughly equivalent to the sidebar on the main screen when working on a computer. If you are in a team, you can tap here to switch between your team and the personal section. I'll tap outside of that to close it, and then we'll go back to that side panel. You can also access your Brand Hub, your inbox for design approvals, and the trash from here. And there is a button for settings here as well. Of all the applications I have taught, the Canva mobile app might be the one that matches the desktop version the closest. So I don't think you'll have much trouble moving between Canva on the web, the Canva desktop application, or the Canva mobile app.
Share, subscribe and comment for this video.